Okay, class, let's continue with characteristics of market gardening. Characteristics of market gardening. Number 1, farms are generally small. This market gardening is practiced on smaller farms. 2, the land is intensively farmed. They use smaller piece of land, but for much bigger output. Next, fertilizers and manure are applied. They apply fertilizers and manure. It is carried out mostly in urban and semi-urban areas because of ready market or ready consumption. Products are sold while still fresh to avoid risks of perishability. The products have high demand, especially in urban centers. A lot of capital is invested and used in farming activities like harvesting, like spraying against pests and diseases, that is buying chemicals, like buying manure, paying labor, etc. Much attention is given to the crops. Most of the work is done manually or is done by hands. For example, harvesting flowers, fruits, vegetables. You need to be careful, therefore mechanization is limited. Irrigation is always used. Let's look at horticulture. Sometimes we confuse horticulture with market gardening. However, these ones almost have the same characteristics. Horticulture is the growing of fruits, flowers, and vegetables, and other crops like spices. Spices like ginger, spices like onions, spices like carrots, spices like etc. for frying purposes. Plus red pepper or pepper. Horticultural crops grown in Rwanda include tomatoes, flowers, fruits, cabbages, etc. And if you check on this diagram here or picture, you will see a flower farm near Kigali city, which indicates horticulture. Thank you.